Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to add another Instagram account on the same device that you have. And this is a method that works on Instagram, on an iPhone, on an Android device. So make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. Here is how it works. So there's actually two ways to do it. The first one is just to click on your name on Instagram and you have add account option. This is the easiest method, but if you're using an older version of Instagram, the way to do it is you click the three dashes right here, you go on settings, you go down below, and then you have this option add account. You can quickly add an account from here, log into an existing account. Something that you need to know is the maximum account I believe you can add, the maximum accounts you can add at the same time is 5 on your device. Some people do weird stuff like clone the app or stuff like that to have multiple devices if they're running a lot of accounts. But yeah, if this video helped you out, give it a like. Any questions, you know what to do. Comments down below. See you there. Bye.